Let's learn how you can still install and use the Ublock Origin extension for Chrome. I've got the latest version of Chrome here, 150. Let's install the Ublock Origin extension on this Chrome version. Firstly, close the Chrome and you're gonna create the Chrome shortcut on desktop. Once you create the Chrome shortcut, right click on the shortcut and go to properties. Find the target and come to the end, just right at the end. Give one space here, space, and then just paste the code that is given in description. This code is given in description, just copy and paste here and then apply. And okay. Once it's done, whenever you want to open the Chrome, just open it from the shortcut. Otherwise, you'll not be able to install the Ublock Origin. Now, go to the link in description. You'll be brought to the Gorhill Ublock page on GitHub. Scroll down, come to releases, click on latest. Scroll down once again, come to assets, and you're gonna download this first one here, Ublock 1.72 chromium.zip. Once it's downloaded, let's bring this downloaded file, zip file to desktop. And it's here, Ublock 1.72. It's in zip form, so extract, right click and extract. Here you've got the extracted folder, just keep it like this, and now go to Chrome and click on the extensions button here at the top, extensions. Go to manage extensions, enable the developer mode on the top right side. Come to left side, click on load unpacked. Now come to desktop and find the Ublock folder. This one here, Ublock 1.72. Open it once, select this folder, Ublock Chromium, and click on select folder. And it will just load the Ublock Origin just like that, and it's fully functional. Click on the extensions at the top right side and find the Ublock Origin, just pin it here. You can use this every time on Google Chrome. The only problem is that whenever you close the Google Chrome and open it back, it will be turned off and you'll have to load it again. So to fix this issue, whenever you want to close the Google Chrome, come to extensions page and just disable the developer mode from the top right side, and then you can close Chrome. Now when you open the Chrome back, you're gonna go to extensions, once again manage extensions and enable the developer mode. It will again be turned on right here. So there are only two catches. Whenever you want to close the Google Chrome, you're gonna have to turn off the developer mode and close it. And the second catch is that you're gonna have to open the Chrome from this shortcut, and once you come back, reach to extensions page and enable developer mode, and it will be now fully functional. If you go to settings, everything is just like the Ublock Origin. So that's how you can still install and use the Ublock Origin extension. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.